In this snowbound world, he can still pick up a scent. His nose is many times more sensitive than ours. After an hour of searching, a frozen bison bone. Better than nothing. Coyotes are always on the lookout for an opportunity. Now, is his arch rival, a red fox, onto something? Voles hide in a network of tunnels beneath the snow. Time to try this out. Okay. The fox made it look easy. Ah, what a show-off. Maybe stealing dinner would be easier. If he can get close enough. But river otters work as a family. Combined, that's more than 100 pounds of angry otter. It was worth a go. Perhaps it's time to show that Wild West never-say-die spirit. And try fishing for himself. Not bad. Not bad at all.